Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Florida Local and Long Distance Moving Services Near Me service. Are you looking for affordable movers in Florida for your upcoming move? If so, you're at the right place. 3 Movers is a professional moving company that operates throughout Florida. Perhaps you are moving to beautiful Miami to get away from the cold New York City winters. If so, you are not alone. New York to Florida is still one of the most popular relocation routes in the U.S. Or perhaps you are leaving Miami and heading north to Tampa to try the Gulf waters for a change. Wherever you are going, within or out of Florida, 3 Movers Full-Service Moving Company is here to support you with a stress-free moving process. You'll surely love our professional moving services. Long-distance Florida movers. Finding the best long-distance moving company in Florida is at the top of your to-do list, right? You have the desired destination and the moving date. Now you need the right Florida moving company to help you get the job done. Whether you are looking for basic service or a full-service mover that offers packaging, special items, and even long-term storage, 3 Movers can provide you with a complete range of services, including packing services, loading and unloading services, van lines, and unpacking services, etc. You can give us a call for a free quote, and we'll try to offer a reasonable moving quote for the help you need. At 3 Movers, anyone who requires our services as residential movers in Florida can access several different types of services, including packing and unpacking, storage, auto transport, and full-service moves. What are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.